accelerated course of study.
You fold it in half once. You have to cut extra long ribbon. Cut it in half, you fold it in half once, but you keep this because that'll make it a whole long piece. But if you want a bunch of different little small pieces, you cut that piece off.
All right, got it back. And this is my old math homework from like 2 years ago. Anyways, it's about fractions and stuff. Nobody likes fractions. I'm going to keep cutting for a long time because I have a lot of piñata to fill. All right, I moved it over. It's now right here. We still got our hole. It has, that looks weird. I'm setting it kind of weird so it could dry this spot over here, down there, right there. Okay, so we'll probably come back. This is dry. And when my classes are over. All right, so I've been cutting these for a while. I'm not done yet, but I'm almost done. This is what I've got so far. I think it looks pretty nice. I forgot to record footage, but I still have this beautiful piñata. I wasn't intentionally trying to do the American flag, but I guess that's what I came out with. But I still have to do the other side. I have finished this, and I really think it's nice, but I'm just like doing a little bit of trim up on the sides. Just look at that. It is so nice. My gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Well,